Hi, and welcome to Laimoon Classroom. In this video, we will walk you through the process of conducting virtual classrooms and automate them. In order to access the products area, you have to log in first to your own Laimoon provider dashboard, then head over to the sidebar area on the left, and you will see this link to the Laimoon Classroom product. Once you click, the product will launch in a completely new tab to start with. Here, you will see the list of classrooms you created in the past, and of course currently it's empty. To create a classroom, click on Add New Classroom button. But before we start the process, let me introduce you to the terms we use here in the product. The first term is classroom, and a classroom is a batch of students and trainers combined together in a specific timeline. For example, let's say you have a course with the title of IELTS exam preparation, and you teach this course for 2 batches of students, and each batch has its own trainer. In that case, you can create 2 separate classrooms for the same course, and you might call the first one IELTS exam preparation batch 1, and the second one is IELTS exam preparation batch 2. The second term here we use pretty often is the course outline. Now think of the course outline as the curriculum of your course, which can be divided into modules and sessions. Now let's head back to the classroom creation process and let's click on Add a New Classroom button. The creation of any classroom is done through 3 simple steps. The first step is you have to assign the trainer or the instructor that he or she will teach this course. If you don't have any trainer added before, you can add a new trainer by pressing on Manage button, then go to Trainers, or simply we can click on this quick action, Add New Trainer. To add a trainer to your account, fill in this basic information including name, email, password, and phone number. After you add the trainer, he or she will receive an invitation email similar to the one on the screen, and they can also participate and manage your classrooms only. However, if you are using the Laimoon Classroom product for yourself as a trainer, you can add your information here to continue with. After you create the trainer for the first time, the system will redirect you back to the creation process step 2, where you have to select the course outline. Now again, think of a course outline as the curriculum of your course. At the beginning, you might not have any course outline added, so the system will prompt you to create one. You can do that by going to Manage button, then to the course outline list, or simply again by pressing on this quick action. First, you have to select a course from your courses that you added before. Then you start putting the structure of your course separated into modules and sessions. For instance, I have picked this course, Mastering Machine Learning with Python, as an example, and let's say the course structure will be like this. I have 2 modules, and each module have few sessions. Now this course outline creation process, you have to do it only once, not every time you create a classroom. If the structure seems to be completed for you, you can click on Create. This will redirect you to the third step and the last step of creating a classroom, where simply you have to assign the timeline for each session in the course outline. As an example, let's say the first session will be conducted tomorrow at 3 p.m. Now, if you don't have the complete future timeline for the course, you can skip this part and edit it later. Below this area, you will see that you can add the list of your students for this classroom, including their email, name, and phone number. The system will use these details for the automation process, where for each session you assigned a date and time to it. Your students will receive an email reminder 10 minutes before the session starts and tell them to prepare themselves. The email your students will receive is similar to the one on the screen. And finally, once you're done, click on Create. Now, as you can see, we added one classroom titled with the title of the course followed by the trainer name. If you want to edit the classroom information, click on View, then Edit Classroom. Here, you can change the classroom's title, let's say Mastering Machine Learning with Python and Group 1. Then you can change the date and time for each session if you want, and the list of your students. Now the classroom is ready, and if you decided to start any session at any time, you can click on this button, Start Live Session. which will create a live session and notify all your students list and trainer via an email. In addition to that, if you want to invite someone outside of your list, you can use these links provided here. To join the session, press Join as Trainer or Join as Student. Here you start actually the live session with your students. However, to help you effectively manage the classroom session, we have created another video explaining the live session features, including whiteboard, video, presentation, recording, and sharing screen. The link of the video is provided below in the description. For now, let's head back to the classroom management area. If you want to create a quick session with your students or colleagues, you can use this feature without the need of creating full classroom. To do so, click on Manage button, then click on Quick Session. Here, you provide the title of the session, then press on Start Now. Again, use these links to invite anyone to your live session. If you decided to add more trainers or edit the current list, head over to Manage button, then click on Trainers. In this area, you can edit any trainer information or add a new one. The same thing for course outlines. If you want to edit them or add them, click on Manage button, then Course Outlines, and again, feel free to modify any content you want. Before we end the video, let's see how you can let your trainers contribute and help you manage your classrooms. For every trainer you add in the classroom dashboard, an email invitation will be sent accordingly. The trainer can log in normally to the classroom dashboard from the received email, and again, he or she will have the full permission to manage your classrooms only. To see that in action, I will log in using the credentials I received by the email, and here I have the full access to the Laimoon Classroom dashboard. Now, me as a trainer, I can edit my profile by going to Manage button, then click on My Profile. Here, the trainer will update the information in the inputs provided, and this information will be publicly visible to your classroom students. The students will see this information in their students portal. They can see the full profile of the classroom trainer and any other classroom he or she teaches.